So I want to show you how to use link logic when you make your game in Sploder. So you can see here that I have a text box, and you can't move around text boxes. You have to delete them. But to read what's in there, just click on the T. And let's see here. This is how you link a baddie, or the monster, to a freeze potion or another object. So when I play this, you're going to see that when I freeze the baddie, the treasure will appear. And here's link logic, and you have to start at the heart of the baddie and go right to the middle of the object. And I'll draw this out for you. You delete it by clicking that triangle. That's where you start. So I'm going to click there and then drag over to this. And let's see here. So the treasure is not there. So once I freeze, Baddie appears. Pretty cool. This next one, let me go back and show you what happens here with this red lava. I'm gonna click on this hand. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. So in this one, once you freeze the baddie, then this red lava is going to disappear, allowing you to cross safely and even, get any treasure at the bottom of the lava. So again, it goes from the heart of the baddie to the bottom of the red lava. And you see this right here. Sometimes that can give you a problem. So if it doesn't work, you may have to change the position of the baddie so that this line doesn't go through here, but this works. So let me show this to you. First one, the treasure. And the next one, I linked the baddie to the bottom, and you see that. All right, I'll make another video for the next